In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneDrive files to an external hard drive step by step. 2025. If you're running out of space on your computer or you just want your OneDrive files stored on a portable drive, this walkthrough will show you how to safely point OneDrive to your external hard drive on Windows 11. We're not moving files manually. We're telling OneDrive to use a new folder location so everything stays in sync automatically. First, connect your external hard drive to your Windows 11 computer. Give it a moment to appear. It should show up in File Explorer with its own drive letter. Make sure the drive has enough free space for your OneDrive content and that it's in good working order, since you'll want it connected anytime OneDrive is syncing. Next, open the OneDrive desktop app from the Start menu. You can search for OneDrive and launch the app. Then, look to the system tray near the clock on your taskbar and right-click the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. Click Settings. In the OneDrive window that opens, go to the Account tab and choose Unlink this PC. This temporarily disconnects sync and lets you choose a new folder location. Don't worry, your files in the cloud remain intact and anything already on your computer stays where it is until you resync. After unlinking, OneDrive will prompt you to sign in again with your Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to continue. When you're asked to choose your OneDrive folder location, click Change Location. This is the key step that tells OneDrive where to store and sync your files going forward. Navigate to your external hard drive, select a folder on that drive, and click Select Folder. Pick a clear, dedicated folder on the external drive so your OneDrive content stays organized and separate from other files. Avoid selecting the root of the drive to prevent clutter. Click Next, then Start Sync. OneDrive will set up the new location and begin syncing. Depending on your settings and the size of your library, the first sync may take some time. Keep your external drive connected and avoid unplugging it while syncing is in progress. Going forward, leave the drive connected whenever you expect files to update. If it's not connected, OneDrive can't write changes to that location. For the smoothest experience, try to keep the drive using the same letter each time you plug it in, so OneDrive can always find it. That's it. Your OneDrive files now sync directly to your external hard drive, freeing up space on your internal storage while keeping everything up to date. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.